I'm going to be discussing with you what is called vanishing point. Vanishing point. It also means point of extinction, point of disappearance, or point of cessation. Now, in drawing or in art, vanishing points are points where two lines converge or simply put, meet. Where two lines, from on a horizon and then they come to disappear or meet, basically. Now, this is a key element in many works of art. You see it on everyday life, on the roads, in drawings. Now, for example, in linear perspective drawing, it is a spot where two lines, two horizon lines to which the receding parallel lines diminish. Basically, when you look at a train track from an angle from one end, there's some point where you don't see the train tracks again. You see two lines from the beginning and then they go on like this, and then somewhere they disappear. Or you're driving, into the desert, and then you are driving and you can't see somewhere, you can't see the road. It's like when you see the sky and the ground or the earth, they meet together, they meet. That is a vanishing point, where two parallel lines, in perspective or little perspective, they meet. And that is what we're going to, experiment today. I'm going to give you some pictures, basically to draw. Now, this is an example of a perspective drawing. Now, this is a building, you see, from one end to the other. Now, I want you to do this experiment when you get home. Look at the train tracks. If you take the train or you drive or in the car, and then look at the train tracks, and then from one end to another, look as far as your eyes can see until where you can't see, the train tracks again, where they disappear. You will discover that from one end you will see the tracks, and then you look to the extreme where it disappears. That's a vanishing point. I have an example. When you're driving, I mean, if you're going to Banff, if you're going to Banff, if you're driving on the road, there's some tunnels, small tunnels, like a bridge where you can walk on top, for hikers and all of that. If you're driving and then you look ahead of you, you will discover that at some point the road disappears. But as you drive more, you see the roads get widening. But at some point you don't see them again. That is a vanishing point, where two parallel lines, two lines converge or meet, where everyone meets the earth, basically. Or when you go to the beach, you can see from one end of the sea to the other part. It's like the sea and the sky meet together, but they don't meet. That is vanishing point. So this one I'm going to give you. Thank you.